What's up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing just a really simple hairstyle. I already curled my hair with the Shea Moisture Curl Cream. So I just wanted to come back and bring y'all a video of one of my favorite hairstyles. It's really easy to do. And when you're in a hurry or whatnot, you want to go ahead and just get something done to your natural hair that's really easy. So that's why I made this video, for y'all to see how I do my normal in a hurry hairstyles. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. Take our ass on back. I'm gonna go ahead and do the back part, but I have put this in a ponytail at the top, and I'll take some more of my gel and go ahead and do the rest of my edges with my gel. So we can do those famous sideburns later. It's my favorite part, doing the sideburns. Or edges. I'm sorry, edges. Take a scrunchie. I love these. Right now. I'll just take this. To me, this is the best way I like to do it. It works okay for me, so that's what I like to do. Hairpins, my famous hairpin. Yeah, hold it in place so it won't roll away from you or anything like that. You don't want it to roll. Put it where you want to put it. Maybe use about 4. That's what my preference, depending on the length of your hair, or the way your curls are. Some curls may be longer or shorter. I'm not fighting with these hairpins. Not today. Not today. I'm not fighting with them. Okay, so now you're probably wondering, what is she gonna do? Is she gonna leave that bun up there, or what is she gonna do? Actually, yes, I am. I went ahead and wrapped that ball around. Kind of reminds you of a high puff hairstyle, but like I say, it's similar. Just add a little bun to it. And so, now the fun part. Oh, I forgot one thing. I use this on my hair just because it's an oil. And plus I like the way that it works with my kind of hair. So I just put the palm of it in my hands. Put that on there. Cute, cute. I'll put that on there. Can y'all see it? And I have a video on how I got my curls like this on my channel, so feel free to look it up and see how I got my curls like this. But yeah, and that's it. Plain and simple. Now let's go ahead and do the fun part. The fun part is going to be those sideburns, well, edges. I don't know why I want to say sideburns, but the edges. Quick and easy. Okay, here we go. Just brush these now. I have jam on there too, if you want jam. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. I don't be too dramatic with them, y'all. I'm trying not to be anyway. Sometimes I catch myself doing the most. But when you're in a hurry, you know, this is one of those in a hurry hairstyle. And you just want to get out of that house, get out of that mirror really quick. You're already running late. Oh, y'all know we have those mornings. I do. And we just can't get out of bed. Alright. So y'all just give me a thumbs up to this video. Let me know what y'all thought about this really quick and easy hairstyle. And I mean, it was quick and easy. Alright, everyone. So, if you're new to my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm glad that you're here. And I hope that y'all enjoyed this video of a really quick and easy hairstyle with naturals. Like I say, I have this video on how I achieve these goals on my channel, so feel free to go and view that. And guys, give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Leave me a comment, let me know what you think. I'm all for it. Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. And thank you guys so very much for watching. Bye guys.